just came to say hello.
Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. It's Katrina. Here's another concept using the plushies. I put them in the little small plastic bags. I also put the heart in there filled with candy and airheads in the back of this concept. And I think that this concept just turned out cute. This is a nice little cute Valentine's grab and go for the kiddos or that special teen adult, teen child, teen whatever you want to call them. Very simple and very easy to do. I put a little bit of shred in the bottom of the bag as well. And I got these little plushies at Dollar Tree. Doesn't always have to be a bear, y'all. Now these little bears do come in sets of 2 for $1.25, but I broke the sets up. Please tell me what you think in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.
I just came to say hello.